Hello, welcome to our new winter lesson. Today we're going to create some snow and play with our toys. So to do this lesson you will need shaving foam, baking soda, a spoon, Play-Doh and Lego minifigures, a girl, a boy and a cat or any that you have. So first of all, let's make some artificial snow. For that, we need shaving foam, oh, here we go. Okay, shaving foam. Okay, very good. Oops. And we need some soda. Okay. Now take your spoon and mix the soda with the shaving foam until it becomes the snow. If you see that you need more baking soda, add it. Yeah? Okay. I guess I need more soda. Okay, some more soda. Okay. Mix it well. We need to be able to model this snow, yeah, to make a hill, to make snowballs and so on. So let's see what we can do. I guess I will need some more soda. Oh no. Okay, so I have something similar to snow. Very good. So I can make a snowball, yeah? A snowball, little snowball. Okay, so this is a snowball, so we can play snowball. Ooh, snowball. Actually, I want to make a hill because our girl, boy and cat want to go skiing, snowboarding and sledding. So this is my heel. This is my heel. Okay. Okay. So this is my heel. And now let's create the skis, for example, for the girl. Take a piece of plasticine and let's make a ski. First, make something like a snake. Make a snake. Then make a ski. So this is one ski, and one more piece of plasticine. Make a snake. Make a snake, and create one more ski. Okay. So this is the second ski. Okay, so our girl is going skiing. Let's put on the skis and she goes down the hill. What is she doing? The girl is skiing. Yes, the girl is skiing. Okay, so the girl is skiing. Now the boy is going snowboarding. Let's take one more piece of plasticine, yeah, And let's create a snowboard for him. So we also start with a snake, yeah, like this. And then we need to make a snowboard out of it. So press a little bit. So this is something like a snowboard. Let's put our boy on the snowboard, and the boy is going snowboarding. The boy is going down the hill. Okay, so he is snowboarding. What about the cat? What can we choose for the cat? Of course, we need to create a sledge for the cat. So let's take a piece of plasticine, and let's create the sledge for the cat. Okay, so our sledge looks like this. So this is a simplified sledge for our cat. Let's put the cat on the sledge, and the cat is going sledding. Yeah, the cat is going sledding. Let's put it on our hill, and the cat zooms down the hill on the sledge. Goes up and down. Yes, up and down. Up and down. Yes, up and down. Okay, very good. Now, after skiing and snowboarding, the girl and the boy can play snowballs. Yes, so if you can, you may create little snowballs for them and throw them at each other. Yeah, so this is a snowball. So the girl throws a snowball at a boy. Ooh. Now the boy creates a snowball. Let's create a snowball. A snowball. Okay, a snowball. And now the boy throws the snowball at a girl. Ooh, very good. Okay, so you can keep playing with our snow, hill, boy, girl, cat, and their ski, snowboard, and sledge. Enjoy your game. Bye bye. See you in next videos. Bye.